there in the distance behind me is the Benton Market. Now, what I wanted to focus on right now is the bus system. There's a bus app here for Vietnam, and I'll put it on the screen, and I'll put a link to it here on the description and on the comments. And but to get to there's many bus terminal depots, whatever you want to call them, other than this one, but I'm just using this one as an example. So there's Benton Market. And as you can see, over here is what is their bus terminal. So once you know what bus you want to take, they're numbered. You just simply go to the waiting area for that one. Now, what's pretty cool is that there's a board here. This isn't at all the stops, but there is a board, and it'll show you, say for instance, if you're taking Route 65, that means that it'll be here in 4 minutes, and it's 0.7 kilometers away. So you kind of know when your bus is going to be here. Now the price is about 5,000 dong, or dom, I guess as they pronounce, and 5,000 dom is about 22 cents in US currency. And I'm going to be catching a bus going in same bus but this direction, rather than behind me. So I'm going to head over here, and I know which route I need, and basically same thing. I'll just get a seat over here. I'll know when the bus is coming, and then just catch it. They're fairly comfortable, not as nice as the My Bus there in Cebu, but adequate. Very cheap way to get from one district to the other, and you're comfortable. You're not sitting on a grab bike. So now over here, let me take a look at this here. I don't want to end up getting smacked by a bus like that one. If you see these, of course, these are the restrooms, and they are usually located near the bus areas, but you'll see them at parks also. Over at one of the parks, they had these, and they were actually downstairs. It looked kind of like a subway or something. But anyways, yeah, there's a restroom. WC, here they don't call them CRs, they don't call them restrooms, they call them water closets. So WC water closet. Here comes another bus, and I'm gonna get myself home and rest a little bit, and then come back in the evening and kind of explore around some more. All right, see you guys later. Bye bye.